This is the classroom. We'll have lessons in here. Let's introduce ourselves. I'm your teacher, Miss Maymay. I'm Lulu. My name is Hank. I'm Kiki. My name is Mew Mew. Now, let's decorate our classroom. Hang your favorite picture on the wall. Let's snack together. It's time for a snack.
Okay.
Everyone has done a great job today. Now let's give a little red flower to the best. Which kid would you like to give the red flower to? Thanks! Out. Get on the baby bus and go home now. Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye. Miss Maymay, goodbye.
Baby bus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, baby bus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.